The document from Canlii provides a wealth of cases demonstrating Stantec Consulting Inc.'s repeated legal troubles, often revolving around allegations of negligence, breaches of contract, and unethical conduct. Below is an extracted summary highlighting key cases and patterns that indicate a systematic approach of obstruction, denial, and misconduct. Patterns of legal issues against Stantec. Stantec has been involved in multiple lawsuits across Canada, often relating to negligent misrepresentation and professional misconduct. Multiple cases cite Stantec's failure to deliver on contractual obligations, leading to financial loss, safety hazards, or project failures. Employment disputes and wrongful dismissals. Several employees have taken Stantec to court over wrongful dismissals, toxic workplace environments, and breaches of employment contracts. Municipal lawsuits and government investigations. Various municipalities have sued Stantec over flawed engineering work, overbilling, and failed public infrastructure projects. Obstructionist legal tactics. Stantec often attempts to delay proceedings, deny liability, and use procedural maneuvers to avoid accountability. Key cases demonstrating systemic issues. 1. Go Community Center v. Clark Builders and Stantec Consulting Limited, 2020 AB, QB 203. The court found that Stantec misrepresented its involvement in project design and later tried to deny liability despite internal evidence proving engagement. The firm attempted to shift responsibility to Clark Builders, another contractor. 2. Winship v. Stantec Consulting Limited, 2016 ABQB 468. Stantec was sued for breach of contract and negligent misrepresentation. The court noted discrepancies in Stantec's provided documentation, suggesting a pattern of concealing errors. 3. Stantec Consulting Limited, v. Edmonton, City of, 2004, ABCA 241. The City of Edmonton pursued action against Stantec for breach of contract in municipal development projects. Stantec's appeal to avoid liability was rejected. 4. Centre de Services Scolaires de la Rivière du Nord v. Stantec Experts, Consiles LTE 22Q CCS 3702. Stantec was accused of delivering faulty ventilation systems under a 2016 contract. The court found Stantec had made false assurances regarding system efficiency. 5. McKercher v. Stantec Architecture Limited, 2019 SKQB 100. A wrongful dismissal lawsuit where Stantec failed to uphold an employment contract, misleading employees about job security. The court awarded damages to the employee after determining Stantec had violated labor laws. 6. Moncton v. Stantec et al., 2022 NBKB 185. Stantec was sued by the City of Moncton for mishandling a municipal construction project, leading to significant cost overruns. The firm denied responsibility, but evidence suggested systematic mismanagement. 7. Seren v. Stantec Consulting Limited, 2008 BCHR T372. A human rights tribunal found Stantec had discriminated against an employee, violating labor protections. The tribunal rejected Stantec's attempt to dismiss the claim. 8. Community Mental Health Initiative Inc. v. Summit Lounge Limited, 2014 Canlii 63978. A negligence case where Stantec provided misleading environmental assessment reports, resulting in financial damages to the plaintiff. 9. Stantec Experts, Consiles ATEC, Ville de Brossard, 2016, QCCS 4941. Stantec was found liable for professional errors in a public works project, forcing the municipality to sue for compensation. 10. The Government of Nunavut v. Stantec Architecture Limited, 2024 NUCJ 34. The Nunavut government sought $35 million in damages from Stantec over alleged construction defects. Stantec attempted to strike the claim, arguing a prior arbitration agreement exempted them. Recurring corporate misconduct. The cases reveal that Stantec frequently employs the following tactics when facing legal action. Deny and delay. Frequently disputes liability even when internal evidence proves involvement. Obstruct discovery. Refuses to provide full documentation or necessary disclosures. Shift responsibility. attempts to blame subcontractors, municipalities, or external factors. Appeal unfavorable rulings, engages in lengthy legal battles to exhaust plaintiffs financially. Neglect worker and public safety. Multiple cases highlight failures in engineering, environmental safety, and labor protections. Conclusion: systemic pattern of corrupt practices. The evidence from Canlii's case records demonstrates that Stantec has consistently engaged in unethical practices across Canada, impacting public infrastructure, environmental safety, municipal projects, and employee rights. Their standard response to legal challenges involves denial, obstruction, and aggressive legal defense strategies, often resulting in settlements or unfavorable judgments against them. This pattern strongly supports claims that Stantec operates in bad faith, regularly abuses the legal system to evade accountability, and has caused widespread harm through negligence and misrepresentation.